My name is Afghan Charkal.
Alia Hashmi Khan,
Safi Hussain,
Suchita Krishna Prasad.
My name is Ling Surichit Sunanta.
Mina Paudel, Tonek Maduli,
Benjamin Velasco.
I'm Vance.
Sabrina Gachad.
Hi, I'm Mushfiqara.
I am Ronalie Asuncion, but please call me George.
I think at this point, it's still an unutilized opportunity.
It's a really nice learning experience for me as a very young participant in this working group. So very thankful for this opportunity.